Let's be brutally honest. If you want to change, you must kill the weak, lazy, excuse-making version of yourself that's been running your life into the ground. Not improve him, not reform him, destroy him. You have to bury the part of you that craves comfort, applause, and permission to succeed. You have to disappear, not for the aesthetic, not to mysteriously rebrand, but because real transformation requires total isolation, complete emotional self-sufficiency, and absolute commitment. Anything less, and you're lying to yourself. If you want real change, you need to vanish, delete the distractions, burn the safety nets. Your friends won't get it. Your family might think you're crazy. Let them. You're not doing this for them. You're doing this because your old life is rotting, and pretending otherwise won't save you. Cut the shallow conversations. Cut the endless scrolling. Cut the need to be seen working or improving. Stop taking selfies at the gym when you should be breaking your limits. Stop posting your hustle on social media when your bank account and mindset are still trash. Grind in silence. Bleed in silence. Win in silence. Disappearing means no one will clap for you. No likes, no validation. No one will know how hard you're working until the results are undeniable. Good. That's exactly how it should be. Stop being addicted to recognition. Start being addicted to domination. You want to build a new body? Disappear into discipline. Train until your muscles scream and still do one more rep. You want to build a new mind? Disappear into study. Read until your eyes hurt. Work until your brain is a weapon. You want to build a new life? Disappear into sacrifice. Pay the price now, blood, sweat, years, or pay with regret later. Understand this, when you truly disappear, you will feel forgotten. You will feel invisible. You will question everything. It means you're shedding your skin. It means you're breaking free. Most people will never understand. Most people are addicted to validation, addicted to comfort, addicted to excuses. You are not most people. This is not about feeling motivated. This is about being a savage. Your habits either kill you or build you. Every day you are either getting closer to your future or further away. Every hour wasted is a bullet through the head of your dreams. If you are not willing to be ruthless about your time, your priorities, your energy, you might as well quit now. Success doesn't reward the kinda committed. It rewards the absolutely obsessed. Here's the reality. Nobody is coming to save you. No course, no guru, no hack will change your life. Only you, locked in a dark room with your demons, punching them in the face until one of you doesn't get back up. That's how change happens. Anything less is a fantasy. You want to be rich? Then earn it. You want to be respected? Then become undeniable. You want freedom? Then pay the goddamn price. Freedom isn't free. Success isn't fair. Life doesn't give a shit about your feelings. Cry about it. Or build something so massive they can't ignore you. Disappearing is the first step. But rebuilding, that's where the monsters are made. When nobody is watching, when nobody believes, when nobody cares, that's when real warriors are forged. You'll have days where you want to quit. Days you think, maybe I'm crazy. Days when it feels pointless. Push through them. Feel the pain. Embrace the loneliness. Use it. Turn the darkness into your weapon. Because on the other side of that suffering is the version of you that doesn't just survive. He dominates. Now listen carefully. This video isn't for everyone. It's for the ones who are sick of their own bullshit. Sick of lying to themselves. Sick of waiting. Sick of being potential instead of being proof. If you're one of them, if you're ready to shut up and level up, then do two things right now. 1. Smash the like button. Not for me, for the new version of yourself you're building. Make a commitment right here, right now. 2. Subscribe and lock in. Because this isn't a feel-good channel. This is the place you come when you're ready to actually tear down your limits and rebuild your life from the bones up. Most people will click off. Most people will forget everything they heard today. Don't be most people. Make a decision today to disappear, rebuild, and come back unrecognizable. Make a decision today to kill the old you. Or don't. Stay comfortable. Stay weak. Stay dreaming while others are out there taking.